only put 2 layers of the sport adhesive. I didn't put no ball cap method. I didn't do a ball cap method at all. So I'm just about to see how the product holds up even under these conditions. We're just going to test the adhesive, and you know, to see if it really do what it say it's gonna do. What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be showing you how to pluck your wig for a natural and seamless hairline. I actually ordered this wig off Amazon. Yes, Amazon. I didn't have time to custom color a wig and do a full prep, so I grabbed this wig off Amazon and it arrived the next day. I'll link the product in the description box for anyone that's interested. But in this video, I'm also going to be showing you how to do a layer cutting tutorial. Pay close attention to how I hold the shears, and layering is all about repetition and precision. The outcome depends on how heavy or light you want your layers and how long you want them to be. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on achieving any other exact style, just let me know down in the comments and I'll be sure to get that done. But I wanted to let you guys know the first thing you're going to do with plucking, get a mannequin head so the hair in the wig doesn't move while you're working. I recommend parting the hair in sections, especially if you're a beginner, and just start behind the hairline. Pluck small amounts from time to time to avoid over plucking. And remember that you can always take more hair out, but you can't put it back. Be careful and work in sections. Another quick tip, as you're plucking, to avoid creating bald spots, keep your movements light and controlled. I also recommend stepping back periodically to see the hairline from a distance. This helps to make sure you're keeping it natural and even. One thing I've always loved about being a hairstylist is the connection. It's more than just doing hair. It's like therapy for both the stylist and the client. I truly believe that there's something so powerful about the transformation that happens in that chair. For so many women worldwide, a hair appointment isn't just about getting their hair done. It's psychological. When you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you show up differently in your life. You carry yourself with confidence, you smile more, you tackle your goals with a whole new energy. And as a hairstylist, I've witnessed firsthand how changing someone's hairstyle could change their entire day, week, or even how they see themselves. It's an exchange of energy. Helping someone feel beautiful and confident becomes a reminder to believe in yourself too. And that's something that I do miss. I miss those moments of connection and encouragement and being a part of someone's transformation journey. Ladies, remember this. The way you see yourself determines how you present yourself to the world. And that's why it's so important to pour into yourself, whether it's through a fresh hairstyle, a self-care moment, or simply speaking life over your dreams. Confidence isn't just about your appearance. It's about knowing that you're worth the effort and the time that you love to give yourself. So if you're struggling, start with the little things. Take care of yourself, because when you feel your best, you become unstoppable. And you're not just changing your look, you're changing your life. When it comes to layering and cutting hair, every snip serves a purpose. It's about shaping, refining, and creating balance for the overall look. Sometimes you have to let go of the extra weight, those damaged ends or uneven layers, so you can truly make the style come together. And life is no different. There are seasons where we have to cut off certain things, old habits, toxic relationships, fear, or even self-doubt, not because it's easy, but because it's necessary. Letting go creates a space for growth, for transformation, and for the bigger picture to develop into something beautiful. It's not always comfortable to cut away what you've held on to for so long, but just like with hair, once those unnecessary parts are removed, you'll start to see the vision come to life, and you'll feel lighter, freer, and more aligned with who you're meant to be. So don't be afraid of the process, whether it's in the salon or in your life. Trust that every cut is preparing you for the masterpiece that you're becoming. You just have to believe in the bigger picture. All right, so let me just say this. For an Amazon wig, I really didn't expect too much. I already knew what I was getting myself into, and I only intended to wear this for one day. So honestly, I'm not tripping. The moment I felt the hair, I was like, yeah, this is not about to hold a curl. So you know what? We're making it work. And sometimes you just got to do the best with what you have and keep it moving. Is it giving luxury? No. Curling hair takes patience, strategy, and a little bit of heat to get things right. You can't rush the process, because if you do, the curls won't hold. First, you gotta prep. Just like in life, the foundation matters. Use a heat protectant, detangle and section the hair. In life, that's your self-care, organization, and getting your priorities straight. Without a good start, things can get messy real quick. Now, when you curl the hair, take piece by piece. Don't try to do everything all at once. Focus on one section at a time and give it the attention it deserves. Life works the same way. Take things step by step. You can't tackle everything at once, but when you focus, the results are always better. And here's the kicker, the heat. That's the pressure, the challenges, the moments, the tests. It's necessary to shape the final look. Without it, those curls or you won't grow and won't last. Once you're done, let it cool. Don't touch it too soon. Give it time to set. And in life, this is where the patience comes in. You've done the work, now let the results speak for themselves. And finally, don't forget to comb through the style and style it out. This is when you step back, reflect, and enjoy what you've created. Whether it's your wig or your journey, both require love, effort, and resilience to shine. Let me walk you through the easiest way to slay your wig step by step. First, you gotta prep your hair, whether you're gonna be braiding it or slicking it down. The goal is the flat base. Throw on a wig cap to keep everything smooth and secure, and a good foundation makes all the difference. Today, I'm not even going to use a ball cap at all because I'm only wearing this for a few hours, or so I thought, which you will see towards the end of this video. I actually kept it on longer than expected, and I also went to the gym to see if the Hold Me Down adhesive holds up to its name in the sport edition. But typically you would use a cap, especially if you do want it to last, you sweat, you want to get wet, or whatever the case may be, or you're just looking for a long lasting install. You're going to use your skin protectant and then go in with the adhesive. Using the Hold Me Down, you're going to apply thin layers along your hairline and wait until it turns clear to apply the next layer. Once it turns clear, you can apply another layer, up to 5 to 7 layers depending on your activity level and depending on your how long you want to wear the wig. Once it's secure, carefully trim off the excess lace. Take your time and cut in small sections. You don't have to rush here. Blending your hairline takes a little foundation, a little bit of powder, and mostly the right melting spray. So right now I am at the gym. I am going to work out. I know it probably got makeup caked all up on here and everything, but we're just going to test. We're just going to test the adhesive and to see if it really do what it say it's gonna do and all that. I have these moisture resistant headbands. Secure the hole. We about to see if ERICKAJ is even really like that, because I heard, but make sure you get everything you need from ERICKAJproducts.com. Thank me later once you realize these products actually changed your life. I went to the sauna with the wig on. Yep, you heard me right. And I only applied 2 layers of adhesive. Just 2. And of course I used the skin protection because we don't skip steps over here. Hell no. Hell no. Cause you're on with that one. And let me just say, as the creator of this product, I'm genuinely impressed. I'm so thirsty. For me to not use a cap at all and the wig held up like a champ, I'm talking sweat, heat, all the drama, and my lace stayed put like I had something to prove. This is what happens when you use products that actually work. You're welcome in advance. All right, y'all, so I started working out at 12:41 and it is currently 1:23. As you can tell, I am sweating literally my ass off. My ass is sweating, literally. So you need to see my back. Bro, I thought we was done. Sheesh.
Big deal. got 20 to go.
I can't do 50. I can do 15.
Push up. Push up, not warm-ups. 20. Oof. Stay on your knees.
I'm almost at the 1 hour mark, and let's just say ERICKAJ don't play. Find you somebody else to play with. Trust the product genius. Get your products today. Add to cart. It's a perfect day to add to cart. It's a perfect day to slay you a wig. It's a perfect day to get you some products. And we don't only just have hair care products. We have skincare products as well. Get into it. Shop ERICKAJ. Shop 7B. And we'll see you guys on the next video.